Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, solid-state drive, wireless module, fans, system board, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal: carefully slide the hinge covers off of the display panel hinges and remove. Remove the two 1.8 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the display bezel trim to the display enclosure. Using a flat-bladed tool, carefully pry up on the display bezel trim to disengage it from the display enclosure. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the display bezel trim. Replacement: place the display bezel trim into position on the display enclosure. Important: ensure that the display panel cable and wireless antenna cables are free from being pinched between the display bezel trim and display enclosure. Press down on the display bezel trim to snap it into place. Replace the two 1.8 mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the display bezel trim to the display enclosure. Position the hinge covers into position on the display bezel trim and gently press down to snap the hinge covers into place.